Second is empty से by b से निकालो d by dx of 3x square. Look here. Now in this problem 3 is a constant, x is a variable. In this situation constant right outside. Look here. Constant right outside d by dx of x power 2. Okay, here 3 into, we know that x square differentiation on the board 2x. Look here now. Okay, 3 into 2x 6x. In this situation constant and variable both are multiplied. Constant to right outside, constant to right outside. Next situation d by dx of log x. Log x differentiation is, once again I repeat, d by dx of log x formula becomes 1 by x. Log x differentiation is neatly write as 1 by x. d by dx of e power x, it becomes e power x. That means e power x differentiation becomes e power x. Okay, here once again I repeat, d by dx of e power ax is given. For example, here write first e power ax into here a is a constant right outside here a. Okay, x differentiation we know that x differentiation is 1. Here look here, dx by dx 1. Okay, this is the solution of e power ax. Okay, to very useful these formulas I solve 1 or 2 problems also now. Look here once again these formulas. One problem I solve. Look here x. Here x indicate displacement here t square plus 3t plus 1. This is the equation of displacement here find velocity. Okay, find velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. This is the question. Here displacement equation is given, find velocity now. Here in the equation velocity is defined as rate of change of displacement, simply called as dx by dt. Look here now. What is the definition of velocity now? Velocity equal to rate of change of displacement. Once again I repeat, it is defined as velocity defined as denominator lo time unte physics lo emantaru rate, d ante change, x ante displacement. Rate of change of displacement is called as velocity. Here v is v, d by dt. What is the x value given? T square plus 3t plus 1. Here neatly to write separately. First we apply differentiation on the t square. d by dt of t square plus d by dt of 3t plus d by dt of any constant. Okay, here t square differentiation, 3t differentiation, constant differentiation apply. Neatly write. Look here, we know that d by dt of t power n formula. What is the formula? N into t power n minus 1. Okay. What is the d by dt of t square? T square. Look here. Here n place lo ఎంత ఉంది 2. Here write 2 into t power 1. d by dt of t. Here write 1. Okay. dt what? Cancel. d by dt of any constant it becomes 0. Hold. All our formulas nana here write v equal to, look here now, t square differentiation. What is the t square differentiation? 2t plus, here 3 is there, t is there. Here constant is there, variable is there. In this situation constant write outside, 3 outside. T differentiation. What is the t differentiation? 1. Okay, plus 2. Here 1 is a constant. Any constant we apply differentiation, it becomes 0. What is the v value? 2t plus 3. This is the formula for velocity now. Okay. Here given time is 2 seconds is given. What is the v value? 2 into t value is given 2. Here substitute 2 into 2 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 write as 7. This is the value of velocity in the problem. Next I discuss another problem also. Look here. Another problem, if velocity is given 3t cube plus t plus 5. This is the velocity value. Find acceleration at t equal to 3 seconds. This is the question. In the situation velocity is given, find acceleration. What is the definition of acceleration? Acceleration mathematical definition is rate of change of velocity. This is the formula for acceleration. Rate of change of velocity is called as acceleration. Here nana d by dt of, what is the v value is given according to question? 3t cube plus t plus 5. Look here now. Here neatly write d by dt of 3t cube, okay, plus d by dt of t plus d by dt of 5. Look here. First here differentiation, next here, separately write. We know that what is the differentiation of t cube. Here constant and the variable. Constant right outside none. A equal to 3. Okay, t cube differentiation 3t square. Okay, plus here t differentiation is 1. Any constant differentiation is 0. Neatly write as a equal to 3 into 3 9t square plus 1. This is the acceleration value. But according to question, time is given 3 seconds. Here substitute nana, a value becomes 9 into 3 square write as 9 plus 1. 9 into 9 81 plus 1 81 plus 1 82. This is the value of acceleration. Look here then. Next. Hold. Next topic nana board ne focus. Next topic nana integration. In the integration nana, what is the use of integration means? Small becomes large. Once again we discuss. Small becomes large. This is called integration. Useful formulas in the physics. Integration of x power n dx. Once again, this symbol indicates integration. X power n dx. Formula is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay? Here no limits are there. Here write plus c. Here c is called integration constant. Once again I repeat. Here no limits is there. అంటే 2 మీటర్ టు 4 మీటర్ ఇలా లేదనుకో, అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏం రాయాలంటే ప్లస్ సి పెట్టాలి. సి ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ వాట్ నా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ కాన్స్టెంట్. నో లిమిట్స్, హియర్ రైట్ సి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ లిమిట్స్ ఈజ్ దేర్ x1 to x2. Then c will be removed. Once again I repeat, no limits to write c. Limits is right. Here c value is removed. Indaki c ne antaru integration constant. Okay? What is the formula for integration x power n dx formula? X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. మరి ఇలానే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ t power n dt చెప్తారా? What is the t power n dt? Here x is replaced by t, n is n. Here x is replaced by t power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is the formula for integration. Here ఇక్కడ c రాయాలా అంటే ఇక్కడ లిమిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకేనా? నేను రాయలేదు అంతే. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ t power 3 dt solution. Here n write as 3. Here solution. Solution tell me t power 4 by 4. Okay? Integration of t power 2 dt. Look here. Here n is right 2 nana solution. Solution lo n రెండు పెట్టండి అక్కడ 2. 2 plus 1 3. 2 plus 1 3. Integration of t dt. Here n value 1. Here write n value 1. T square by 2. Okay? Next nana I discuss another formula for integration nana. Integration of dt equal to t. Okay? Integration dt t. Suppose integration of dx, what happens? X. Its inner meaning is dx is a small quantity. We apply integration, it becomes a large quantity. What is the basic use of integration? Small becomes large. What is the use of differentiation? Large becomes small. Both are inverse according to mathematics. What is the integration dt? T. What is the integration dx? X. Integration dx x. Mari small formula integration of, once again I repeat, integration of 1 by x dx nana. This becomes log x. What is the log x differentiation in the previous? 1 by x. Integration 1 by x dx log x. Look here. To see all problems, all formulas. Integration, this is very useful now. Integration t power n dt. What happens? T power n plus 1 by n plus 1. What is the t power 3 integration? T power 4 by 4. What is the t square integration? T power 3 by 3. What is the integration t dt? T square by 2. Integration dt t. Integration dt t. Integration dx x. Integration dv v. That means small becomes large. We apply integration. Mass is given 1 kg. Specific heat, here S indicates specific heat now. Specific heat is given T square plus 1. Okay. And once again I repeat, mass is given 1 kg. specific heat is given T square plus 1. Here temperature changes 0 degrees to 20 degree. Temperature changes from 0 to 20 degree. Find heat find heat. Look here. Here temperature change. What is the formula for heat? Ms delta T. Ms delta T. Here S is variable because T changes. Here T value 0, S value 1. T value 1, S value 2. T value 2, S value 5. That means temperature changes, S value vary. In this topic, dq formula is Ms dt. Here in this situation, S is variable. To write dq both sides we apply integration because here variable is there, we apply integration. Here integration dq look here, integration dq what happens? Q. Why integration dx x, integration dt t, integration dv v, integration dq q. dq indicates small, it becomes large Here mass value is given 1, specific heat value is given T square plus 1 into dt. Here what is the limits? 0 degree to 20 degree. Okay, first neatly write this situation. Look here q equal to in integration inside here T square is there, 1 is there. Integration of T square dt, look here, T square into dt plus integration of 1 into dt. Look here once again. Here integration T square dt, integration 1 into dt. What is the lower limit? 0 degree. What is the upper limit? 20 degree. Here also 0, here also 20. Here q equal to, look here, what is the T square integration? We in the case T square integration T power 3 by 3. What is the lower limit? 0. What is the upper limit? 20. Here plus betty. Integration dt t. What is the lower limit? 0. Upper limit 20. Here q equal to, here common term is 1 by 3 okay, 1 by 3. Here first to apply upper limit 20 cube, 20. What happens? 800 minus 0 substitute, 0 cube 0. Okay, plus here also first substitute upper limit that is 20 minus 0. Okay, here according to this topic q equal to 800 by 3 800 by 3 plus 20. Okay, here q equal to, look here, 800 by 3, it will be calculated nearly, it will be finally we get answer Okay, S is variable. What is the formula for q integration ms dt. Okay, I give another formula problem look here. The acceleration is given T square plus 5. Okay, acceleration is given T square plus 5. Find velocity between 0 to 5 seconds. Here t indicate time. Okay, once again I repeat, the acceleration is given, find velocity between 0 to 5 seconds. What is the basic formula for acceleration? Rate of change of velocity, simply dv by dt, rate of change of velocity. Look here. Here, according to this topic, dv equal to here a into dt. Okay. Once again I repeat, Nana. Once again I repeat. Here Nana. dv equal to a dt. Small becomes large. We apply integration. Integration dv. Here Nana. Integration. Integration a dt. Look here. Here integration dv తర్వాత రాద్దాం నాన్న రైట్ సైడ్ రండి ఏ వాల్యూ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు వాడు t స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 5 ఇంటూ dt. ఓకే ఇన్ ద రైట్ సైడ్ t స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ dt ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ t స్క్వేర్ dt ప్లస్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ 5 dt. ఓకే ఇన్ ద లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ integration dv. Here lower limit is 0 second, upper limit is 5 second. Lower limit is 0 second, upper limit is 5 second. Here initially body at rest, finally its velocity is v. This is the question. Initially body at rest, final velocity is v. Integration dv v. Okay. What is the lower limit? 0. What is the upper limit? V. Here right side. Integration t square dt. What is the formula? T cube by 3. Okay. What is the lower limit? 0. What is the upper limit? 5. Okay. Plus 2. Here 5 is a constant. First write outside. Next integration dt. What happens? T. What is the lower limit? 0. What is the upper limit? 5. Okay. ఈజీగా క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ కోసం 0 to 3 seconds అని ఏమైంది మన ఇష్టం అది వాడిస్తే ఓకే ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఎందుకు కంగారు పడిపోవడం 0 to 3 seconds 0 to 3 seconds లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ చెప్పండి ఫస్ట్ ఏ లిమిట్ అప్లై చేయాలి అప్పర్ అప్లై చేయాలి v మైనస్ పెట్టి లోయర్ ఎంత 0 ఈక్వల్ టు రైట్ సైడ్ రాద్దాం 1/3 ఓకే ఇంటూ here t value substitute 3 nana 3 cube 27 okay plus nana కొంతమంది చెప్తుంటారు లోయర్ లిమిట్ రాయట్లేదు సార్ అని ఫస్ట్ ఏ రాయాలి 3 క్యూబ్ 27 మైనస్ పెట్టి 0 క్యూబ్ 0 ఓకే ప్లస్ 5 ఫస్ట్ ఏ లిమిట్ రాయాలి అప్పర్ లిమిట్ ఫస్ట్ రైట్ అప్పర్ లిమిట్ t value becomes 3 minus substitute lower right 0. Look here now. V minus 0 equal to 27/3 9 5 into 3 15 9 plus 15 24. This is the value of velocity. In this pattern to solve the problems, first write notes, differentiation formulas, integration formulas. First by heart all formulas and next to start the one by one problem. Okay, bye Nana.